Hello, my name is Matt LaFond, Executive Director of Cantigny Park, here with another update on Project New Leaf. I'm standing here at the site of our brand new playground, which is located in our picnic area. The planning, design, and now construction of this element of Project New Leaf has been going on for a year now, and we're very excited to announce we're just a few short weeks from completion. We've named this Red Oaks Farm Playground to recall the rich history of Cantigny Park. When Joseph Medill first purchased this property in 1894, he named it Red Oaks Farm. It was a working farm at the time. It wasn't until his grandson, Colonel Robert R. McCormick, returned home from his service in the First World War that he renamed his estate Cantigny in honor of the men and women he served with. And we'll be commemorating that battle, the 100th anniversary of that battle, on May 28th. The playground was designed and built by Daniels Woodland, a company that has created designs for Disney, Universal, and Sony studios. It's made of California redwood. It'll have a farm theme complete with simulated grain silos, water towers, and storage barns. The sidewalks and ramps are all ADA compliant and will be easy for wheelchairs and strollers to navigate. It's not just the playground that will make this a special place for our young visitors, but the surrounding landscape. We selected a design that creates a natural play area that complements the land. Adjacent to the playground is our 2.5-mile hiking trail, 75 picnic tables, indoor restrooms, ample parking, and a new picnic pavilion which will be available for private gatherings. For safety, the roadway that previously cut through the picnic area was relocated to the north along Roosevelt Road. Future plans include planting crops next to the playground as an educational resource and to further recall Cantigny's heritage as a working farm. We believe we've created a very special place for you and your entire family to learn, play, relax, and most importantly, just have fun. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on Project New Leaf and the grand opening of Red Oaks Farm Playground.